Today, I have something exciting to share with you, especially the talented writers. If you are passionate about writing, then watch this video till end. In this video, I will reveal the top 6 websites that host writing contests and provide cash prizes to the winners. So grab a pen and paper and let's start the video. Number 6 website on our list is writingcontesthub.com. This website offers a wide variety of writing contests in different genres, including poetry, fiction, and non-fiction. With a user-friendly interface and clear guidelines, it's easy to navigate and submit your work. And the best part is that they award generous cash prizes to the winners. The number 5th website for writing contests that give money to the winners is writerscafe.org. This platform offers an extensive range of contests and also provides a space for writers to share their work and receive feedback from the community. With a vibrant community of writers and exciting cash prizes, writerscafe.org is one of the best websites. At number 4, we have Poets and Writers. This platform caters specifically to poets and writers, offering an extensive database of writing contests. With a wealth of opportunities to showcase your work and win cash prizes, Poets and Writers is a go-to resource for anyone passionate about the written word. The number 3 website on our list is Creative Writing Inc. This website offers a range of writing competitions from short stories to flash fiction and poetry. With regular contests and generous cash prizes, Creative Writing Inc. is a fantastic platform for both emerging and established writers. Moving on to number 2, we have InKid.com. This platform not only hosts writing contests but also provides aspiring writers with opportunities to publish their work. With a supportive community and a chance to gain exposure, InKid is a fantastic platform for writers looking to showcase their talent and earn money in the process. Finally, at number 1, we have Fanstory.com. If you are a fan of writing poetry or short stories, this website is for you. Fanstory offers various writing contests and provides constructive feedback from fellow writers. It's an excellent platform to improve your skills while competing for cash prizes. So these are the 6 websites that hold writing contests and give cash prizes to the winners. Whether you are a seasoned writer or just starting your writing journey, these platforms offer incredible opportunities to showcase your talent, gain recognition, and earn some extra cash. So start exploring these websites today and let your words take you on a journey of creativity and success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more exciting content like this.